everyone, welcome to the second day of online learning with Pathshala Guides on the Pathshala Energy channel. I hope that you all have done your yesterday's homework which we have discussed yesterday, and today we are going to learn something new. Today is the second day of learning. We will learn another thing, but before that, let us know what's the topic of learning. So today's topic of learning is the sounds of different letters. You heard it right. Today we are going to learn in this video that what are the different sounds, what are the different pronunciation of the letters. You are already aware of there are the different letters, 26 alphabets are there. आप सबको ये पता होगा कि 26 alphabets होते हैं A to Z, लेकिन हमें उसके correct pronunciation क्या है, उसकी correct sound क्या है? Did you know that? Do you know? So let us know in this video, and yes, repeat after me. Try to learn it and speak the correct pronunciation of the different letters. The first letter that we have is A, and the pronunciation of the letter is F. Repeat after me. F. A. F. The next alphabet is B, and sound of the letter is B. B. C. You have it. C. K. K. D. The alphabet is D, and sound is D. 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 E, and the sound is E. E. F. F, and sound is F. G, and sound is G. 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 H. 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 R. E. 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 J. The alphabet is J. 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 K. 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 L. 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 M. The sound is M. 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 N. The sound N. N. O. 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 P. 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 Q. Qu. Qu. R. 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 S. T. 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 U. V. W. 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 X. Y. Yep. 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 And the last alphabet is Z. We pronounce it in the two ways, that is Z and Z. Z and Z. So you can, the pronunciation of the letter is Z. 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 So hey everyone, this was all about the different alphabets, sounds, that what is the correct pronunciation of these alphabets, and I hope that you should learn this and you should also know it, that what is the correct pronunciation and speak the correct in the correct manner. So let's come to the end of the video, and in the end of the video you already know that there is a homework for you all. Today's nursery class homework is, first, the common homework for each and every class from nursery to all the classes is that you have to pronunciate the same homework continuously. Means you have to pronunciate the same letters how we have pronunciated in the video. You have to just practice it to your elders. आपको इसको practice करना है अपने elders को सुनाकर जो आपने अभी आज सीखा है. जैसे A का pronunciation क्या है, B का क्या है, अब तो practice it. The second is the homework for the nursery class we have today is that in the written form you have to do it in your notebook. Right? First you put your today's date, homework, and the topic, the heading you will put is standing line. Standing line, and you will draw a standing line. You already know that what is a standing line is, and the standing line that we have, this is a standing line. You have to draw a straight standing line. Standing line. This is a standing line. You have to draw it in your copy. So one complete page, you have to draw the standing line, make a standing line, and you have to pronunciate the same manner how we have pronunciated in the video. Class LKG, the homework for you all is, you have to write capital letters from A to F. You have to write down the capital letters from letter A to letter F. You have to write it down in your notebook, and you have to also pronunciate the same manner. Class UKG, you have the homework of today is, you have to write a small letters from A to G. A to G, आपको इसको small letters को लिखना है. एंड कल हमने जो इंट्रोडक्शन प्रैक्टिस किया था उसको आप फिर से प्रैक्टिस करोगे और अपने एल्डर्स को सुनाओगे. This is the common homework for all the junior classes. Now let's come to the senior classes, the senior homework for the junior section not. Now let's come to the senior section's homework, and senior section's homework is class 1, you have to write and practice cursive writing from A to H. From A alphabet to H alphabet, you have to write the cursive writing and you have to practice it the complete one page. And also the pronunciation also you need to practice. Class 2, the homework for you is write and practice the self-introduction which we had it yesterday. Yesterday we already know that we have the self-introduction practice. You have to write it down in your notebook. Self-introduction, you have to write it down in your notebook. Class 3, you have the homework, write 10 words beginning with the letter TH. TH से शुरू होने वाले, TH से शुरू होने वाले जितने भी letters हैं, जितने भी words हैं, 10 words आपको लिखने हैं. जैसे thank you, thunder, thunderstorm. So these are the different words. आपको ऐसे ही और भी examples देने हैं, 10 words आपको लिखना है. And also you have to practice we have done the pronunciation. And also one more homework you have is pronunciation practice, as well as you have to write from cursive writing from A to Z. A से Z तक आपको cursive writing लिखना है 2 pages. Class 4 onwards, the homework for you is, first of all you will, I'm going to tell you some words. You have to find out the meaning. आपको जो 10 मैं आपको कुछ words बताऊंगी, उस words के आपको पहले तो meanings find out करने हैं, and then आपको उसके antonyms लिखने हैं कि उसके antonyms क्या हैं. So the first letter, the first word is blunt. Blunt. इसको आपको इससे पहले meaning लिखो, then आपको इसका antonym लिखना है. Second is sad. Third, fresh. Fourth, calm. Calm. And the fifth is smooth. You have to find out the meaning of this word, and also you have to write out the antonyms for these words. And I just hope that practice the same homework for everyone, and let's meet you again tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe, best of luck.